Let's say you have a configuration file and you want to check the difference between the current state and your configured state, and basically you don't know what the current state is because there are multiple people working on the project and you just want to see the difference, and you don't want to do Terraform apply command, you just want to see the difference between current and desired state. For that you can actually execute Terraform plan command, which is like a preview, same as what Terraform apply command gives you, but without the actual applying it. So here you see that just like with apply command, you get this list of actions that Terraform will execute in order to get you to the desired state. And as we have deleted subnet 2 using Terraform destroy command, but we still have it in the configuration file, it basically tells us in Terraform plan that a new resource would be added if you would execute Terraform apply. Now, if you are executing Terraform apply command, however, you don't want to always confirm the execution or wait for Terraform to calculate all the changes and then confirm the change. You just want to automatically approve any change. You can pass in auto approve flag, and this will basically apply immediately without waiting for your confirmation. And here, as you see, the preview wasn't given and I wasn't asked for confirmation, and the change got applied immediately. We have resources 1 edit. So we have created back our subnet in the default VPC. Now, what if I wanted to completely destroy my infrastructure and everything that I have created using this configuration file, I wanted to clean everything up. For that, we can actually execute Terraform destroy command. And if we do not provide any target as a parameter, it will basically find our Terraform configuration file. It will go through all the resources and destroy, or basically just remove all the resources one by one in the correct order that we have defined here. So let's execute it. Now we get a preview of what gets destroyed. So all 3 elements or resources will be removed, and we can actually confirm this action and Terraform will clean everything up. Now, this command is actually handy and can be used if you want to revert exactly what you have created with this configuration file. And unlike destroy with a specific target, Terraform destroy, which destroys the whole infrastructure, is actually pretty convenient because you don't have to worry about in which order and sequence you have to destroy the resources. Terraform will figure out which one depends on which, and it will basically clean everything up. So if you are testing something with Terraform, if you're playing around with resources, then Terraform destroy will be a pretty handy way of just cleaning everything up that you have created. So now if I go to my AWS account and refresh the VPCs, you see the VPC is gone, as well as the subnet 1 dev, if I refresh it here, is gone as well. So all the resources have been removed.